As always, don't forget to check the prices down below for the best prices on the parts and products we use in today's video. This is a 2010 Chevrolet Malibu with a 2.4 liter. We're going to do the starter. Let's check it out. Alright, first we're going to disconnect the negative connector on our battery. It's a 10mm, loosen that off, pull them off. Then we can see the starter sitting right down there. This is what the starter actually looks like. Right here, you can see we're going to be able to see that lower 15 really easily. The upper 15 is going to be hidden, and I'm going to show you what I use to get to it. So this is like probably like a 1-inch, a 2-inch, maybe like a 3-inch extension. So maybe like about a 5-inch extension, or you can use this kind of assortment plus your 15mm. So now we're going to get on under here and find the rest of the stuff. So I just lifted up the vehicle right over there on that jack stand spot. And then we're right under the car, and there is our starter. So you can see we've got a 15 right there, right here. Then we have a squeeze and pull or something like that right there. That's your little control wire. And then I think right above, you're gonna have the big power wire. But I'm going to show you what it's going to look like from your perspective to get on the top 15, the one that's above here. You're not going to be able to see it, but you will be able to take an extension like this. Go ahead, and I just did this a second ago. Of course, now I'm recording and I'm having a little trouble. Okay, and that was it. I'm on it. So now let's see what it looks like. So I'm on it right there. Now you can see your power wire is sitting right there. It's probably like a 13. And then I'll try. I don't know what we're going to be able to see here because I'm not going to be able to see it either. But it looks like, let's see. Yeah, so that's, I can see that. That's what you're looking at right back there. And you will be able to take your ratchet and just come out here and loosen it. I'll take the extension off and show it to you as well. So that's it right back in there. So you just go ahead, take that off, take the one down here, take your wires off, and this thing just comes right out. So it's pretty simple. Alright, I got both my wires off. This one was a 13. This one, you can see you just kind of lift up on this and pull back and out. And then I also took my upper bolt off. So now I'm going to show you with this handy dandy Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet. I'm going to show you what it looks like to take this 15mm bolt off, how quick it is. So that's it. Now we're just going to take a little bolt. Now, you should just be able to wiggle this thing. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And that is... Oh, you know what? Let's see. That's funny. Now that is strange because I only took one nut off, and oh, you know what? Must have been 2 wires on this one, but that is weird. There's a nut missing there too. Anyways, make sure you take this one off. There should be a nut on this one that might have just been missing from this customer's car. It's really weird because I only took one nut off and 2 nuts are not there. So it's as simple as that. Once we take this wire off, which it's gonna be kind of hard one-handed, but you can see there I can almost get it off, but that's it. It goes in the same way. So thanks for watching.